Hello guys, welcome. Today we are here to tell you something about our new TT45 truss. There are several advantages of the TT45 truss. The biggest advantage, of course, is that there are 5 main chords, main tubes, instead of 4 that is traditional with trussing. The extra tube brings in a feature of making it much easier for you guys to hang whatever equipment you want onto the truss. The TT45 truss is made out of 5 main tubes with specifications of 50 by 4 mm, and the braces are made out of 25 by 3 mm tubes. The truss is standardly produced in lengths up to 3 meters, and it's fully compatible with other 40 by 40 cm trusses in our portfolio. As the TT45 truss has 5 main tubes, there are also 2 loading charts that you should pay your attention to. One is for the central bottom line, and the other one is for the complete truss. For more information, visit www.trussaluminum.com.